at that, guys. We got an 07 Saleen Ford F-150 supercharged 331. Look at the exhaust on it. Just out the sides on each side. Really nice. Holy. You guys see it right there? Got a giant hole in the muffler. We're gonna make it sound a lot better than it is now. Really good looking truck. You don't see many of these. Not a lot of them were made. Got a full body kit on it. Nice truck. There's the exhaust on this side the same way. You guys can see what it sounds like before. Definitely needs some souping up. It's too quiet. Yeah, it's definitely too quiet, man.
Yeah, I want to wake it up. Factory 23s.
That's crazy. It's got factory 23s on it, guys. Not 22s, not 24s, not 20s, 23s. Here's sound decibels before. Here's sound decibels. Right at 95. Alright guys, stay tuned. Alright guys, 2007 Ford F-150 Saleen. 23-inch wheels all the way around, factory guys. Full body kit. And then what we did is put two black Widow makers right there. There they are. One there, one there. Part number is right here, BW0013-2. There'll be a link in the description for them. But there they are, Widow makers. Very nice. And then the pipes continue out the back on each side there and there. We're going to change these later on once he decides what he wants to do with the tip situation. Look at all this work they put in to make the tips go out the side. The box to make them look like that, which is a really nice look, clean, not that race car look. But to make it happen, they put all the side skirts and everything. A really clean truck, Saleen. This was the truck back in the day. It was about 60 grand when it was new back in the day. There it is. Really nice, really clean. Alright, let me show you guys the back of it. There it is. Good looking truck. I know you guys are waiting to hear it, so stay tuned. And like always guys, like, comment, subscribe. Much better. Like it? Get you guys sound decibels. That sounds so good. Here's sound decibels, guys. You guys want to hear the other side, so here's the other side. Saleen. guys hear on the inside. See what it sounds like before. Definitely needs some souping up. It's too quiet. Yeah, it's definitely too quiet, man.
Yeah, I want to wake it up.
Sound decibels. 95. Much better. Like it? Get you guys sound decibels. That sounds so good. Your sound decibels, guys? I know you guys want to hear the other side, so here's the other side. Saleen. Got a nice crackle to it too. If you guys wondered what this looks like under the hood, it's a 5.4 supercharged. Saleen. See it? We even got the badge right there. Supercharged Saleen. Very nice. Good looking truck. I like it. I like that marble at the end. You can hear the supercharged spooling up. You don't see these every day, guys. Alright, stay tuned. We'll let you see the drive off next. That's, I guess it's 169 of like so many built. I don't know what 169 is. It's still a good looking truck though. I like it. That's how they should have built all of these. Saleen, baby. Not bad. Beast mode out of a Saleen. Enjoy, guys.